The drafting is there to make sure that everything is standardized. Everything that we do today, the buildings we sit in, has to be drawn up and has to be approved, safety regulations. If you drive a car, all of those parts need to be designed and drawn up as well. So everything that has been manufactured, especially on large production, large scale, has to be drawn up and detailed properly to make sure it meets safety regulations.
Our multidisciplinary drafting national certificate is one of the best and most popular qualification for a draftsperson. It is the most recognized drafting qualification in the industry. The National Diploma, Structural Steelwork Detailing qualification will provide learners with the standards required to satisfy the challenges of participating effectively in the steel construction industry. The National Certificate Architectural Technology NQF5 provides an introduction into the architectural profession and its role within the building industry. The National Diploma Architectural Technologist NQF6 provides the learner with the academic knowledge, skills and competencies required to practice the built environment and to register as a candidate draftsperson. The 3D architectural design visualization and animation is geared towards design and architectural visualization and game asset development. Take charge of the world around and design your future with this unique and modern industrial and product design certification. Join the exciting makers movement that is freeing designers from all levels to scratch their creative itch.